Hello! In this figure, we have a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. Angle A measures 75 degrees and angle B 102 degrees. We need to find the measures of angles C and D. To find these angles, we will use the following theorem. If a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, its opposite angles are supplementary. And supplementary angles are two angles whose sum is 180 degrees. In this quadrilateral, angles A and C are opposite angles, and this means that their sum is 180 degrees. So we can write that angle A plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Then we will replace A with 75 degrees. And if we subtract 75 from both sides, then angle C equals 105 degrees. Another pair of opposite angles are B and D. Then we can also write that angle B plus angle D equals 180 degrees. We will then replace B with 102 degrees. Then if we subtract 102 from both sides, then angle D equals 78 degrees. So now we found the missing angles, but I would like to explain why opposite angles are supplementary. For example, why the angles A and C are supplementary. For this, let's take a look at angle A. This angle is an inscribed angle because the vertex is on the circle. The two sides are AB and AD, so this angle intercepts the arc BCD. Now, an inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 of its intercepted arc. So, if angle A measures 75 degrees, then the intercepted arc will measure twice 75, which is 150 degrees. So, I will write that the arc BCD measures 150 degrees. Now, if the arc BCD measures 150 degrees, then the arc BAD has to measure 210 degrees. And that is because their sum has to measure 360 degrees. So I will write that the arc BAD has to measure 210 degrees. And as you see, their sum is 360 degrees. And now let's talk about angle C. The sides of this angle are CB and CD. So this angle intercepts the arc BAD. Then if the measure of the arc BAD is 210 degrees, then the measure of the inscribed angle C will be half of 210. And half of 210 is 105 degrees. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel.